All right, my name is Uzair Gilani. Who am I here with today?
Mahmoud Kidwai.
All right, Mahmoud. So this is going to be screen recorded as well as audio recorded. Do I have your consent for that?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a prototype of a chat interface that we created today. I have a few tasks I wanted you to go through and some questions afterward. So let me start off by showing you the first task. So for task one, the scenario is imagine you have a busy schedule today and needed to check if you have any homework due tonight. So the task itself would be for you to use the interface to find information about any pending homework assignments due tonight. For the instructions, feel free to interact with the interface however you like and just think aloud and share your thoughts as you go through the process. So for the first task, it's more explaining if you were to have homework due tonight on Canvas. So if you want to, I'll hand it over to you if you want to
Okay.
click that.
This one.
Yeah,
All
it
right.
kind of opens it up.
Okay.
Okay, and for the app itself, if you click on it kind of takes you to the home page.
Yeah.
So to access the chatbot, if you click over here, and for example, if you wanted to interact with it, you can just click on it and it'll
All right.
pull up a keyboard. And
Yeah.
once again, if you want to click, this is a question, for example, if you had any homework, you could
Yeah.
ask it and then you could click send.
Send.
And then this is the message that will come
Okay.
up, like, for example, nothing's due. Would you like to add a reminder at all at 6 p.m.? So if you did, you could just
So
click,
yes.
yeah. So yes comes up, and then you could click that.
All right.
And then it would just say, I've added a reminder to the calendar. So that's kind of how the first task
Yeah.
is, what you had to go through. So I'll show you the second one. So for the second task, the scenario is you want to integrate your homework management with your calendar to effectively plan your schedule. The task itself is for you to use the interface to integrate your pending homework assignments within your calendar. And for the instructions, it's just for you to explore the interface features related to the calendar integration that we added, and for you to think aloud and share your impressions as well. So if you
All
click on
right.
the
Yeah. Calendar.
calendar,
Yeah.
and you wanted to add like a homework assignment
You
that, yeah, you could
can
just
basically
click,
click plus
yeah, the
button.
plus, and then you could
Homework.
click that.
Yeah.
You could just
Next.
go to next, and then it'll add it. For example, that's the
Right.
title of it. Next, that'd be the due date,
Yeah.
the notes if there's any, and then you can click it again. And if you wanted to share this assignment with the class, you could click that and add it. So
That.
that's just kind of the
All right. Yeah.
process of adding it to the calendar. So last up, there's a map over here of the campus itself. And if you wanted to zoom in to see where you needed to be at for a class, for example, you can just click on the magnifying glass and it just kind of zooms in. So kind of based on everything you see,
Yeah.
I just had a few questions for you. Let me pull that up. So based on the tasks, the first question, how easy or difficult was it for you to find the information about the pending homework assignments through the interface, through the chatbot?
It was fairly easy because you can basically ask it anything. So you just ask it if I have homework, and it tells you straight up if you have homework or not.
Okay, cool. Second question, did you encounter any challenges or issues while interacting with the interface for the first task?
Not really. It's pretty straightforward. Because they have pretty big icons on the left, so you know there's a chat box, a whole calendar, and then a
Yeah.
map. So it's pretty easy to find it.
Okay. Third question, how intuitive was the process of adding homework assignments to the calendar using our interface? So whenever you went
Yeah,
there,
it
you
was
could check it
fairly
out again.
intuitive. You just click an add button and then go through each step of saying if it's homework or meeting, what class it is,
Yeah.
and when is it due. So it's fairly easy.
Okay. So I have three more questions for you. Were there any features or functionalities you found particularly helpful or lacking in this task?
I found the bus route was actually very neat. The bus route was actually very neat.
For
Oh,
this task?
for
Yeah,
this
yeah,
task, okay.
yeah, yeah.
Um, the way that it integrates with your personal one is actually pretty nice. How it kind of matched them, I guess. And the fact that you could do it straight from the chat box is also very nice.
Okay. Do you think students using an AI like this is ethical? And if it is, why or why not?
I don't see why not. I mean, all it is helping them schedule classes, seeing what they have to do. It's not like it's doing those tasks for them.
Yeah.
It's just helping them organize them.
Okay.
So I don't see why there would be ethical concern.
Okay. And last up, do you have any additional comments or suggestions on how we can improve this interface at all? Or
No, I think it's pretty good. Chat box works very nice. And the homework and the maps both work pretty nice, so I don't see any suggestions.
All right, cool. Well, this is my post-usual study questions, and thank you for your time.
All right.
All right, cool.